Our little group's called the Watchmen, so we're always watching out for what could possibly go wrong and trying to look out in the future to eliminate any kind of issues that might come up.
Without the Watchmen, things don't get ordered. Being able to communicate with each other is huge. Trying to make sure that everybody has what they need, when they need it, and how they need it just makes things keep rolling. The warehouse guys, they load up the trucks. They help the guys get all the materials that they're needing. That's essential for our IS crew as they're leaving out for a week or two run.
The thing I love about our new retail sales area, we're gonna have a more open, inviting space, easier to actually shop it. We also have the ability to drive through the warehouse, so if we have inclement weather, we're able to load you up inside. It's a much more efficient use of our space.
Definitely it's a big step up from where we were, and we can kind of customize it to what we're needing. Kind of nice to be able to have that freedom to make that change.
Our new training facility will allow our employees and our customers to experience real-world issues that they'd run into out in the field in a controlled environment, where we can actually train and teach the best practices to overcome these problems. With an entrance and an exit gate, we're actually able to get everything lined up in the ready lines like they're going to pull out Monday morning, show up and load up the last few things and head on out.